Morning, morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another one. Yeah, man. All who new to the channel, please subscribe. Yeah, man. It's about a minute, maybe to 6, I think. I'll go on a piece of sunrise, you know. Yeah, man, the sunrise from that direction, as you can see. Nice and beautiful. I don't have a drone, guys. I'll definitely give you guys some drone shots, but no drones. Guys, may I tell you, say, the breeze up here right now. It's feeling beautiful. Whole heap of green, you know? Nice and beautiful morning in Jamaica, Western Jamaica. Still have some breadfruit on the tree left to pick people, but we get rain like every day. You can't climb a wet tree, so all that one right there, so we go for from when I couldn't reach it. You come back feet, man. But it's a nice, beautiful morning here in Western Jamaica. Going up east side sunrise. Yeah, man. All my previous subscribers, no love and respect to all of you. All who new to the channel, please subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button. And big up on yourself, same way. Nothing happen before time, you know? Yeah, man. Nothing happens before it's time, guys. Big up on yourself. It's just green and mellow and nice, guys. I want to say, the sun will come up, you know, but slowly but surely, guys. Nice, beautiful green morning. Actually, want to do I'm actually going to do some cooking today because a friend of mine wanted us to go by the river, but um, I'm not sure if we can cook at the river, and I want to go to the barber shop. You know, see me have to fresh up, keep yourself looking young. You know, I want to make a visit to the barber shop, and I think after that I'll come back and cook. And we're gonna bring the pots to the river because the river that we're gonna go, I'm not sure if we can cook there. You know, so that is that. Probably, I'm not sure. We're not really so fussy. Summertime, and I've been eating a lot of top quality food now. When I'm not saying I'm not got disrespect what we are cooking up, but I mean maybe we cook curry chicken back today. So yard man style. Guys, I have a ackee tree right here, full of blossom. I tell you, say, right now you can just hear the amount of bees. There's practically thousands of bees in this tree right now. Yeah, man. See, me can't see no sure no. The whole tree just sound like it's humming right now, believe me. Nice, beautiful morning here, man, in Western Jamaica. Sun out to come up and now it's getting brighter and brighter over the hills. People, even if you plan to lay down in a bed all day, just get up on a day early morning, man. I go and catch them first early morning breeze, as country people would call it, first breeze. Yeah, man. I tell you, say, it's a joy, man. Best breeze in the world. It's the one that we're blowing in the early morning. You probably not even want to go back to down in a bed for the rest of the day, I tell you. Them breeze will keep you active. Real active. Nice, beautiful morning. Can't wait for your Aki start going on this tree. Although the Aki, they ain't good enough, they're nice and everything, but man, these Akis are probably the toughest Akis in the world. Yeah, man, we cook the Aki, you have to have gas. I don't know how many people have ever encountered Aki like this before. Them Aki are tough. Like when I send these Akis overseas or stuff, you don't even have to oil it or anything. You don't need no form of preservation. You can just put it in a bag and send him off a foreign. In good, in not spoil. Guarantee not will spoil, believe me. Yes, my beautiful people. If you're new to the channel, guys, please remember, hit the subscribe button. Yeah, man, hit the notification bell so you can be notified as soon as I upload. Still here with you guys. A phone call kind of interrupt my video just now. And the sunrise, it's practically here, but due to the hill right here, it's blocking because some places like there you can see the sun hitting, and it was just hitting the top of the tree right there. So seems there are clouds and hills that are blocking the sun. So yes, guys, beautiful day here in Jamaica. Nice and beautiful morning. Yeah, so just stay tuned for the rest of the day, and I'll give you guys some more content. So just stay tuned and go and hope and pray for my lucky tree. Yeah, yeah, man. Big up on yourself. We're catching up a little bit. Alright, my people. So, let's see what I'm going on now. I'm in my town, Farmer Joe. I just dig up some dirt. And I have some pepper seed that store from when. If you know I watch the channel from when, you're not supposed to know that. And I have one little egg tray, so you're supposed to know how much I could strike. And when you not bash me about the gloves them on my hand, people. Not true, them things are kind of dry up. They're not effective. I tell you. I've been this route before and it never pretty. So, see if I can shred off some of the seeds. Yeah, man, the best time right now to plant, guys. A rainy season. Anything I throw right now will grow. Yeah, man, and if I have good soil that is an A+, which I just go dig up some soil from a nearby fire heap. If you don't know, you don't know. If you don't know, you don't know. So no question it. Yeah, man, fire heap soil. Practically one of the best soil to sow things, Alright. I make this bun me, So bag up my little hand them, Yeah, man, how much I know ever plant pepper seed before? It work? Or when I buy the fancy thing them, let me see an agricultural store, or when I do it this way. Which I think I would have same seed, but I never really seen inside of one of them little sachets before. So I don't know what it looks like. How me buy pepper and how me use pepper hard. Me just have to have a few pepper trees at home. So as soon as they catch in the egg tree over there, I'll find somewhere in the yard and transplant them to. And the yard one cut it out too, so I have to cut the yard before I do all of that. Pepper seed. People, when you ever hungry pepper yet, man, I go use the bathroom. Yo! See if you can show me exactly what they're going. Yeah, man, so see the seeds are intact on this thing. So you just have to shed them off. They come out really easy. Really easy. But as I stated, my hands are in bags because, not because the pepper seeds are dry, they are still as effective. I'm not going to use that one yet. That one kind of rotten. If you can see, a couple good seeds in it, but I think I have enough to fill out the 24 packets here. Alright, so get my hand out of this for the time being. Rest them aside. Alright. So I look a bag of dirt now, people. So I'm going to do now, I just add some dirt first before the pepper seeds. You can just add the dirt and then sink and spread it across. Like enough. Let me get too much dirt. This is my makeshift spade, guys. Yeah, man, I make this morning to go pick up some dirt. And it works, so I don't know bash me. I don't know, attack me for it. Some more. I'll take out them bigger pieces there. Like these. Throw them out. Why not this? See what I go on, people. I can't do that one at home if you don't love pepper like me. Or if you almost anything where easy to grow and it won't grow that big in your yard. Or even if you go grow that big, if you have a yard space, feel free. Feel free to plant away, people. Anything we can crumble in my hand, just throw them away. So I'll first try to attempt breaking it down. But if that no work, then we just throw them out. Some of the side are still hard. Alright, get the next little handful. Gloves on my blower, guys. And as I know, say COVID practically reset the world, you know, guys. But you see, COVID make a lot of people actually had to do these kind of things from home, you know. Yeah, man, what if people turn farmer because the whole country did lock down and everybody did start fret where they might get food and all these things from. So the one in farmer did turn farmer. What if a farmer brown or farmer and not only farming, what if things? COVID forced people to start the things by themselves at home. Who not sew? I see them make a whole heap of vase, they look a fancy vase with the towels and concrete with them. Then with the towel with the cement water and shape it. They used to pass a lot of those things selling on the roadside. Yeah, so it wasn't really only farming, a whole heap of things people did start to. Yeah man, this look like a hit for now, people. Let's go sleep off back the place when me done, but that's alright. Get out the stones. Alright. So we can get on at least one. At least deal with the peppers, seeds. Alright, so I'll just use my finger and try to poke a little hole in it. Nothing too big. Make them catch. Yeah. And then I go plant uniform either, you know, people, because you know the thing go. So try to take up a few. One out of the lot must catch. I have all too much seed here, so. But when this thing full out, I'll just go in a corner of the yard and drop the rest. If they grow, then grow. If they don't grow, well, that's how it's certain. So then go grow. Start this thing about too, you know, I should do it row by row. Because now, I just realize I do something at the middle and I can't tell which ones I have done already, but that's fine. Alright, that one I look like you have. That one I look like you have too. Put a 2 more there. Down here I don't have none. Scotch bonnet with days. And when them tree grow and start produce pepper, people, me I tell you say, me use pepper hard a lot in almost every dish that me cook. Only thing me not put pepper in are probably tea. Yeah man. Or porridge. But almost every other dish when me I look about pepper in it. Whole heap of seeds still in guys, but as I say, can't too much. When we start get pepper, if we start get pepper the right way, we can just even make pepper sauce. So and like me go have it to spoil or you know. Yeah man, can make pepper sauce or pickled pepper or whatever you guys call it with the pimento seeds and vinegar. Pepper. That look like I eat it now, me guys. I mean, I have no spray bottle, you know, but I will just give this a little mist spraying on the top to moisten them a bit. And guys, you leave this outside to make you get some of the rainwater, but you can't leave it where a gutter is or where a lot of water will be falling off the roof. Else, me I tell you, say, you will come back and rainwater mash up everything. Yeah, so you have to be careful when where you leave these things. And if you live in an area that has a lot of birds, pepper seed not do nothing to birds, people. So you will lose them. Alright, we'll use the bag to do some dirt. Set the rest. Yeah, I'll catch you in this first. You got spoon and dirt. Alright. That is it. Alright, so I go on there. Yes guys. And I get a spray bottle. I practically have this on my step, but it's not in line with the cantilever, so even though the water go fall here, you know, go actually fall down on the tray with this, right? So I just will give this a little mist over it, just like this. Kickstart the thing and make everything feel nice. And the ones in here as well. Yep, that's it. So in a matter of days, some of these supposed to start spring. If the rain is gonna fall, I think I'll just try to monitor it to see if it's being destroyed or not. The soil was a bit dried, so I'm just trying to give this as much water for now. Yeah. People, it come like a spray bottle get knocked. Hey, can't manage any happening so. Or maybe some form of particle I go through the system because he starts spray good day again. Oh, actually not. The back kind of set one way. Anyway, hit that for now, people. Let me just leave this right there so just in case. Today when the sun get hot, if it's dry, you can just touch it 1 or 2 at a time again. Yeah man, that is it. So, on to the barber shop you know. Get myself shave up one thing. Come back, run a river pot, and then head off to the river. So, see you guys then.